You call me up in the middle of the night to say what's up. You wanna take me for a ride? I'm getting up every time you're by my side. Don't wanna sleep alone, no. I might be crazy, you're insane, or maybe you're just my type. Always ready when you call me, I'll be there in 25. No one else can do it better, I can make you come to life. Now I'm gonna sleep alone tonight.
So for the day we went early in the morning at 7 to Fujeirah. It took us 2 hours from Dubai, and then I had a 30-meter deep dive to a wreck. It was stunning, and the second dive was next to a reef, which I saw some turtles. Yes, turtles.
Call my bluff every time you're by my side. Don't wanna sleep alone, no. I might be crazy, you're insane, or maybe you're just my type. Always ready when you call me, I'll be there in 25. No one else can do it better, I can make you come to life. Now I'm gonna sleep alone tonight. Gonna sleep alone. 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 Gonna sleep alone tonight.
Oh, I never knew, never knew, never knew, never knew how to do it. I never know, never know, never know, never know to say I love you. Oh, I never know, never know, never know, never know how to do it. I never know, never know, never know, never know to say I love you.
Thursday, the 6th of October, and today I finally finished my advanced. On the way back I thought, I'll see if it's just on the way to the hotel. Why not let me out here, guys? So they let me out here, and as you can see, very old buildings, incredible preserved. And the best thing is the new restaurants and bars and coffee shops which are here, they are a mix of very old Dubai style and a new style. It's just amazing. Look at this. So I just walk around here, we'll visit the sunset, and after that I will go back to my hotel.
I know you there, I know you there, I know you there. I know you're listening my music sometimes. I know you there, I know you there, I know you there. I know now it's the time. Oh, I never know, never know, never know, never know how to do it. I never know, never know, never know, never know to say I love you. Oh, I never know.
Hoy es uno de esos días que me siento sola en casa. Te Triste porque estar pendiente a ti me hace mal. Subir a un par de historias como si nada me pasa. Súper triste verte con otra en Instagram. Esto es uno de esos días que no todo sale bien, pero prefiero sentirme así que volver.
Remix. Y aquí estoy, ultra solo.